Hi everyone, welcome to week 3 of the dance challenge. I hope you've all enjoyed learning the phrases over the past few weeks and are ready to learn the final section. Don't worry if you haven't already sent in any videos, because it's not too late to catch up and you can still be involved. All we need is that all videos are submitted by the deadline of Friday the 5th of June. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so you've finished Miss Thomas's phrase with 5, 6, 7, hold 8, and you've got your right foot forwards. From here, you're going to step onto the right foot and we're going to hip rock for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your right arm is going to come across your body. Make sure you've got a fist and a really strong elbow jab as you do the hip rock. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so if you would like a harder challenge, there is an option for you to do one elbow jab and then the right arm comes up and over with a head tilt, back to the elbow jab, and then down with another head tilt. So that would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that a little bit faster. 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try that to some music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so from here, we're going to step onto the left, weight comes down low, right foot comes in and touches next to the left. And that is for the counts 1, 2. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Then from here, right knee comes up into your chest, flexed foot. Your hands are going to be flat on top of your knee and elbows out. That is for 3. Then we've got an and. Push everything out towards the diagonal. Keep your foot nice and flexed. Keep your hands flexed, elbows straight. And then back in for 4. So let's try that from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's link that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So from 4, we are going to walk round in a circle towards your right. 5, 6, 7, and then you will finish with your left foot forwards on 8. So we've got from here 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, step 8. Okay, linking it on, we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now we're going to add that on from the very beginning. So starting from here, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's put that to some music. 5, 6, ready, and. So from the walk round, we've just stepped onto our left foot. We are then going to kick our right foot out, flex foot again, very similar to earlier in the phrase. For 1, step it in 2. So with the walk, it will go 5, 6, 7, step, 8, kick, 1, 2. We're then going to lunge towards the left, 3, in 4, and then that's going to repeat. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm going to teach you some arm gestures for the last count of 8. However, I would like you to use this as an opportunity to get creative and put your own spin on the dance. So everybody needs to keep the foot movements the same, but you can change the arm gestures into something more original. Don't worry if you can't think of anything to do though, because if you prefer, you can just use my version. If you decide you're just going to use my arms, then it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. very similar to the movements that we've done earlier on in the phrase. Here we've got hands flexed, elbows straight, pushing out toward a diagonal, in, and then elbow jab the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can use those arms, but I would really encourage you to get creative and think of some more ideas for yourself. So here's a few examples. You could go 1, 2, 3, 4. You could also go 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so get creative. Really looking forward to seeing what you guys come up with. Okay, we're going to try the beginning of my phrase just to counts for now. So we've got 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's put that to some music. 5, 6, ready, and. Okay, so we're now on our last count of 8, starting in parallel. We're going to cross the right foot behind the left and the right hand behind the left. Hands need to be in a fist. This is for the counts 1, 2, then back to parallel, 3, 4. Okay, so 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're going to step your left foot back, 5, drop the shoulder, step back, 6 on the right leg, and drop the shoulder. Down on 7 to a squat, bounce on 8, and then it's going to be a big jump on 1. And then that's the end of the routine. Okay, so let's link those last counts of 8 all together. 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. We're just going to link the last 2 counts of 8 together, so have a little practice. So it's going to be starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ready? 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Okay, so we'll now have a practice of the whole of my phrase from the beginning just to counts. 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Well done everybody for getting this far. Now it's the final stage, let's put it all to music. 5, 6, ready, and. The end of the dance challenge. Well done for taking part, and I can't wait to see the final show reel with everybody's hard work. Don't forget to send in all videos to Miss Curtis by the final deadline of Friday the 5th of June. And if you have any friends who would like to take part, please let them know it's not too late to get involved. Well done and stay safe.